Questions and answers on chemical bonding. This is the celebrated High Achievers Mentorship Program, CHAMP. We are bringing academic dreams to reality. Try to answer all the following questions on chemical bonding based on the understanding of your topic. Let's go. The driving force for chemical bonding is as a result of what? The driving force for chemical bonding is as a result of what? Yes. Explain the two types of chemical bonds. Explain the two types of chemical bonds. Give examples of intramolecular bonds. Give the examples of intramolecular bonds. Give the examples of intramolecular bonds. Give two types of van der Waals forces. Give two types of van der Waals forces. Give the examples of intermolecular bond. Give the examples of intermolecular bond. Which type of bond determines the chemical properties? Which type of bond determines the chemical properties? Which type of bond determines the physical property? Which type of bond determines the physical property? Give the type of bonds that each of the following bonds belong to. So you are telling me if it's an intramolecular bond or if it's an intermolecular bond. Hydrogen bond, is it intramolecular or intermolecular? London dispersion forces, is it intramolecular or intermolecular? Metallic bonding, is it intramolecular or intermolecular? Van der Waals forces, is it intramolecular or intermolecular? Ionic bond, is it intramolecular or intermolecular bond? Dative bond, is it intramolecular or intermolecular bond? Crystal lattice forces, is it intramolecular bond or intermolecular bond? Covalent bonds, is it intramolecular or intermolecular? Dipole attraction, is it intramolecular or intermolecular? Now, between which kinds of atoms is ionic bonds formed? Between which kind of atoms is ionic bonds formed? Between which kind of atoms is ionic bond formed? Okay. Between which kind of atoms is covalent bond formed? Between which kind of atom is covalent bond formed? What is ionic or electrovalent combination? What is ionic or electrovalent combination? Ionic compounds are held together by. Ionic compounds are held together by. Yes. Give the characteristics of ionic compounds. Give the characteristics of ionic compounds. We are still on questions on the chemical bonding from the stable of the celebrated High Achievers Mentorship Program, CHAMP. We are bringing academic dreams to reality. Let's move on. What's a covalent combination? What is covalent combination? Covalent compounds are held together by. Covalent compounds are held together by. What is coordinate covalent combination? What is coordinate covalent combination? Yes. Give the functions of a dative bond. Give the functions of a dative bond. Give the functions of a dative bond. Give the characteristics of covalent compounds. Give the characteristics of covalent compounds. Give the characteristics of covalent compounds. What are ligands? What are ligands? What are ligands? Give some examples of ligands. Give the examples of ligands. Are transition metal ligands? Are transition metals ligands? Why are transition elements able to form complex molecules or ions? Why are transition metals able to form complex molecules or ions? What do metallic bonds join? What do metallic bonds join. Give the factors that favor the formation of metallic bonds. Give the factors that favor the formation of metallic bond. What is hydrogen bonding? What is hydrogen bonding? Hydrogen bonding exists when hydrogen is covalently linked with elements such as, give the elements. Give examples of substance in which hydrogen bond is present. So that's what you just said. What are van der Waals forces? What are van der Waals forces? Give the relevant sites of van der Waals forces. Where can van der Waals forces be found? Give the relevant sites of van der Waals forces. London dispersion forces exist between which molecules? London dispersion forces exist between which molecules? Give the examples. London dispersion forces exist within which molecules? Give the examples. Dipole-dipole attraction exists between which molecules? Dipole-dipole attraction exists between which molecules? Okay, let me ask. London dispersion forces, are they found between symmetric molecules or unsymmetric molecules? London dispersion forces, are they found between symmetric molecules or unsymmetric molecules? Dipole-dipole attraction, are they found in symmetric molecule or unsymmetric molecules? This has brought us to the end of questions on chemical bonding. Thanks for listening through. This is the celebrated High Achievers Mentorship Program. Champ.